Hey, whoever thought of building communities on Instagram too? Guess what? Mark did. Now he got your dream come true. Yes, I know. We all have been surfing through Instagram and seeing our friends, especially the creators, building a broadcast channel and asking us to join it. And you don't know how, you don't know what it means, and sometimes you really want to create your own broadcast channel. So don't you worry. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how you can create your own Instagram broadcast channel or community channel. So welcome back to the channel of Get Assist. So without any further delay, let's get started with it. Instagram broadcast channels are here to revolutionize how you interact with your followers and your friends. Just imagine having a direct line to your audience or to your friends, whether you are spilling tea or giving hints about your new project. You can directly send these kind of messages to your bunch of friends whom you really want to share these kind of stuff. So you have already seen so much creators creating their broadcast channels and asking you to join the broadcast channel so that you will be the first one to get the hint what they are up to. So in today's video, let's make a broadcast channel for you. First of all, open up your Instagram and make sure you are using updated version of Instagram. If not, go to your Play Store or App Store and update it first. Now, from your feed on the top right, you see the messenger option. Tap on it. Here you find the option of create a broadcast channel. If you're not getting it, the reason might be your Instagram account is either private or you don't have a creator account on Instagram. So just switch to a professional account from the edit profile option. Then let's move further. Tap on this option. So here is the get started option and features of broadcast channel. Reach followers at once. So it will broadcast any audio message, video, picture, meme, post you share or general message to all the members from your following who will join it. Second, deepen connection. Yes, you heard it right. You can start polls or provide an ask me anything sticker to give them chance to interact with you and suggest you more things for your content. You can control who can message here, react or download things from your channel. Then it's time to name your broadcast channel, and here's a tip. Name it like what you call your fan or your followers or any of your hashtag or related to what you do so that those people feel special and connected to you who will be joining you. Non-follower can also see the broadcast list and channel chat, but they cannot join, react or take any action inside it. Now simply just tap on create broadcast channel. And here it is your broadcast channel for your Instagram fans, followers, community, anything you would like to say. And you can send invites to them or post a story regarding it so that they got to know about it and join it. And that's all in this video, guys. I wish you find this video fun and interactive and you can create your broadcast channel on your own now. So if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. If you find this video very informative and helpful, you can just comment it down below. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. That's how we make videos and get assets. So if you really like our content, subscribe it and I'll meet you in the next one.